Inside the box, you'll find the pressure cooker pot, a lid with a pre-installed silicone ring, and a sealed bag containing a manual, a needle, and a plastic anti-leak cup for preventing leaks. When you're ready to cook, add food and water to the pot. Remember not to exceed the maximum fill line. Next, securely place the lid on the pot. You can also place the anti-leak plastic cup, this is optional, and the red metal pressure valve. Turn on the heat and let it cook for about 15 minutes. Watch for the red indicator on the black handle to pop up. When it does, do not open the lid as the pot is full of high pressure. After 15 minutes of cooking, turn off the heat and let the cooker sit for another 15 minutes. The pressure will release by itself, and the red indicator will gradually lower back into the handle. Congratulations! Once the red indicator is fully lowered, it's safe to open the lid. Your delicious meal is ready to be enjoyed. Thank you for choosing our pressure cooker. If you have any further questions or need assistance, please visit our website or contact our customer support. Thank you for choosing Voyage Cookware. Happy cooking! Visit big5cookware.com or WhatsApp 060-6999-888 for support.